We can close. Click on close.
Yeah.
Yeah, now right click on the PostgreSQL. Yeah, run as administrator. Yeah, click next. Yeah, next. Next. 1 second. 1 second. Uncheck. Click back. Uncheck the stack builder. Check next. Yeah, next. Here the password. Just type in the bracket. You see that Postgres, right? The password also has to be same. Everything in lowercase. POSTGRES. Everything in lowercase. POSTGRES. Yeah, click next. Yeah, leave it as it is. Click next. Next. Yeah, click next. Next. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, let it complete, and once it is completed, you can restart your laptop and then dial into the meeting in. So I will get the other systems also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can stop sharing. Rishita, do you want to share your screen now?
Yes. Can you just give me a second? Actually,
Vashini, can you go on mute? I think there is an echo.
yeah. Now, can you hear me, Sundar? No.
You're not getting an access to share.
Yeah. No. I'm just sharing. I was unable to. Just a second.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. These I have installed.
Did you? I mean, you downloaded, right, or have you installed?
Yeah. I've just downloaded these first three.
Okay. So first thing, we need to enable the IAS. So can you search for turn Windows program features on or off in your Windows search?
Okay.
I'm not able to see your full screen.
You're unable to. Okay. Just let me share my entire. Now we are able to see. Sundar?
Yeah, now I'm able
Okay.
to see. In the search, right? Type in
Uh-huh.
turn Windows features. Yeah, the first one, where
Okay.
under the programs and features, where you click on the turn Windows feature on and off. The turn Windows features.
Okay.
Right? Here, let it wait to load and go to the Internet Information Services.
Okay.
No, hold on. Let it. You need to
Okay.
load with all the programs. It just takes time. Yeah, expand the Internet Information Services. And further expand the worldwide web services. And expanded application development features. In that, select ISAPI extensions and ISAPI filters. The checkbox which says
extensions and filters.
And ISAPI, filters.
Okay.
Yeah, and click OK. It will take a while to apply. And don't click on restart. Okay, you can do a restart once we finish the other software.
Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Should I close it?
Yeah, just close it.
Okay.
You and then come back to the downloads.
Huh?
Right click on the JDK
Hmm?
and say run as administrator. Is it running?
Yeah. I think it's running. Hmm.
Next. Next. Click next.
Okay. And do I close it?
Yeah, just close it. Yeah, now right click on the post. Have you downloaded the post? Not the setup. Yeah, open the Word file again. So there is this the second one. Yeah, that one. I think you need to enable the editing on the top
Oh,
in the Word document.
yeah.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do a right click and say run as administrator. Click next. Next. Uncheck the stack builder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, click next. Yeah, click
Yes.
next. Keep clicking next.
Okay. Password.
POST, everything in lowercase.
POST.
POST.
And what about the locale?
Everything, keep it as well. Next. Yeah, next. Let this installation complete. So once this installation is completed, you can reboot your laptop and rejoin to them.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
You can stop sharing. Ram, can you share your screen? Ram, can you hear me? Ram, are you able to hear me? I can't hear you, Ram, but I see that you're sharing your screen. Can you hear me?
Hey, Ram, that's you, not me. Okay. I think you have to unmute and start talking.
I think for everything, choose your headset. Choose the option as a headset, not the system. Can you speak? We are not able to hear you. Okay, just can you go back to your and show me your downloads folder? Yeah. What is an unconfirmed download? Do a refresh with everything downloaded. Okay, first, go to Windows Start. Go to the control panel. In the search, in the control panel, open the control panel. Yeah, in the search, type in turn Windows features. Features. Yeah, select the turn Windows feature on or off. Yeah, expand that Internet Information Services. In that World Wide Web Services. Yeah, application development features. Scroll down and select disable filters and disable extraction. Little up. Say okay. Not sure why it is taking so long at your end. And I also see that your Windows is not active. Not as an entity. So you don't have a valid license for Windows? Okay, while this is running in the background, go to the downloads again. Right click on the JDK and run as administrator. Run as administrator. What is happening? Yeah, I think you need to activate your Windows. I think we should stop doing the setup till you have a proper activated Windows. Otherwise, we'll not be able to complete the setup. So can you get that fixed, and then I think we can have a separate connect to do an installation in your laptop. But you can start with the videos. That should be a blocker for you till you set up. So at least can you have your Windows activated and let me know, or just try completing this the 3 setups by following the instructions in the document, and if you can confirm it, so then we can move on to the next steps. Okay, I'm not able to hear you as well. So just message me in the WhatsApp group once you're able to complete the setup of the IAS, installation of the JDK, and the installation of the Postgres without the stack builder. And while installing the Postgres, you need to enter the password. So the password should be exactly everything in the lowercase, which is Postgres, POSTGRES, because we will need this password further when we are doing the Adobe Campaign setup. Basically, when we are trying to integrate the Adobe Campaign server with the database, we need to input the same password. So once you complete these 3 softwares installation, just message me in WhatsApp, then I will help with the rest of the steps one-on-one. But this shouldn't be a blocker for you to start watching the videos. I already shared the Word doc with the list of videos, and you need to start watching all the videos and complete everything by this week. Because we'll be starting the end-to-end use case demo starting Monday. Okay, so Varshini, can you share your screen back? We can move on to the next steps. Now, 1 minute.
Recording in progress.
In the Windows search, type in PGAdmin. in the Windows search, type in PGAdmin, PGAdmin, PG, not E, P, P.
PG. Okay.
Yeah, PGAdmin. Yeah, okay. So I click on the PGAdmin 4. What is the message? Do you have a browser, right? Maybe click on Chrome once. Maybe in the Windows search, type in default programs. Yeah, default apps. Network and internet. Select that network and internet. No, oh, go back. Back. Yeah, so click on the default tabs, not the camera, and type in browser. Just give me control. I just enter request. Viewers, TGRDS. So this is Explorer to access the database that will be installed when we do the setup. So to browse through the physical database or run through the queries or check the data which is actually loaded in the table. So you will be using this PGAdmin to connect to the database and traverse. Okay. So this PGAdmin setup is fine. Can you click on this expiration warning? Can you close this? So now coming back to your downloads. So I think you have downloaded only client, but not the server. So you need to download this file as well. Can you download this file, the Wins zip file? And download. download any video. Yeah, downloaded it. Yeah, open that download folder. Do a right click and unzip it. Extract all. Yeah, extract. Cancel. Rishabh, while I work on the versionage laptop, so can you also ensure you download this zip file, the server file, and unzip all the contents and be ready?
Yeah. Yes, right.
And also in the Windows search, type in PGAdmin. So when you click on the PGAdmin 4, what you see in the list of programs, it should take you to the browser where you will have to just key in the password, which will be POSTGRES, and you should be able to connect to the database server and browse through and see the schemas of the tables.
Yeah.
Okay, so just unzip this zip file and also finish that. And once I finish with versioning, I will work with it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Sundar.
Yeah, while this is being unzipped, right? In the WhatsApp, I already shared one video's link for file, right? Can you open that? So start with watching the videos one by one. Each has a link. So when you click on the link, the video should open up in your browser. So it will be on a with a reduced size, so you might not have best clarity, but you will be able to understand the concept or the underlying fact that is being displayed. So just you need to watch through the videos one by one and try completing everything by weekend. And make a note of all the questions or anything that comes to your mind while watching the videos, and have the share those questions to me in the group. And when we get to that particular topic of doing a demonstration, I will ensure that question is answered. So and while you're going through the videos, you will have the local instance all available for you, and you can traverse it with that and try to get an understanding. Those videos are like very precise and easy to understand and pretty neatly organized, and these are from Adobe itself. So even though if you're not able to grasp a concept full, try to understand whatever you can. And then when we actually get to the use case demonstration starting Monday, you will be able to visualize or understand more. And once we complete the use case demonstration, then if you go back and refer the videos again, you will understand the concept better. Okay, but if you start with watching the videos and at least get some flavor of what is it we are working in, or what is it will actually help you grasp the concept. So I suggest to give enough time. Today is just what Tuesday only, right? So focus the remaining days till Sunday and try to complete as many videos as you can. And once we get into the end-to-end use case, then when you get a holistic view of how things work in Adobe Campaign, and then you can always go back to these videos and before and get your understanding better. Okay, so I don't think we'll be able to complete the entire installation today. Looking at the slowness of the system, we will review again to continue the installation again tomorrow as well. I mean, in case if you are not able to complete, but you should wait for the installation. You can immediately after the session get started with watching the videos. Okay. Any questions?
No, I think.
Hey, Sundar, like the last statement I did. So you said I think you installed the sandbox on all three for all three of them, and then you are
Right.
asking them to watch the videos. And when is the
Right.
next session?
The next session, I mean, I think we'll have to connect again tomorrow to finish off the installation, and then the next
Okay.
session will be from Monday, wherein all the three will have enough time to watch the videos, and then if they
Okay.
complete the videos by this weekend, I will start with the end-to-end use case demonstration starting Monday.
Okay. So I think looks like everyone is clear. So looks like you guys will be connecting with you guys tomorrow to make sure all the installation and everything is ready. But you should be watching the videos through the weekend. So then Monday we'll have the regular session to continue the training.
Yeah, from Monday when we start, that is when we'll be doing a step-by-step implementation. First, I'll show it in my sandbox. So then I'll let you do in your sandbox. And once we complete that logical end of implementation, then I move on to the next step. Yeah, any questions? I heard some question in between.
Yeah, hi Sundar. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, yes. So like, what's the issue with my laptop? Like, I need to activate my Windows side, Sundar.
That's what I think. I mean, basically, as part of the setup, you need to enable IIS on your machine. If you look at my the Word document which I shared with the pre-installation and the steps, right? So there I clearly indicated what we need to do. You just need to go to Windows Programs or Features. Under the IIS, you just need to select Sabbath filters and extensions, and the Windows should automatically apply the required changes at a OS level so that the IIS get enabled. So that thing is not happening on your machine, and since your Windows is not activated, I believe it's because of that. So you can just explore following the instructions in the Word document and see if you can install the IIS and install the JDK and install the Postgres using the instructions which are clearly outlined in the Word document which I shared. So the instructions in the Word document are clear to install the software, which you should be able to do it on your own. So just if you're able to install all the three and message me, so then I'll connect with you one-on-one, or maybe we can use the same time slot tomorrow to connect, and we'll finish the installation in your laptop.
Okay, yeah, yes.
Okay. So Varshini, is that unzipping complete now?
Yes.
Yeah, can you go to that unzip folder? Yeah, okay, get into that. Yeah, right click on that setup.exe and run as administrator. Click on more info. Yeah, run anyway. Yeah. Select English.
Now,
Click
what is
next.
the next out? So this is just taking
Next.
content which you will find in.
Do you have your books ready? Where is your books?
She's going to bring it.
For
Finish.
how long? Parimala, he has here for last 10 minutes and no one has given him the books. And what all you guys are doing?
Ram, can you please go on mute? I think you're unmuted.
Oh, sorry.
Sundar, even
I couldn't hear.
sorry, yeah, now are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, even I have installed that. I mean, I have unzipped it, but when I open the PGAdmin, it's asking for password.
Yeah, when you open for the PGAdmin, I said, right, like the password is what we set when we did the installation, which is the Postgres in lowercase, POSTGRES. Okay, so now can you go back to the Vashni, can you go back to the download screen again? Yeah, now right click on that setup client exe and do a run as administrator. Yeah, more info and anyway. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, finish. Now navigate to C drive Windows folder. Windows System 32. We are going to the drivers now. Go to the Windows, we need to go to the drivers. Please. Do you have a notepad plus plus?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you get any prompt to accept?
Yeah.
Can you try saving it? I'm not able to.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. So when this is done, the next step is in the Windows search. I'm not able to get the control. And now I got it. So this we need to start our campaign server via the command prompt. So always you should run the command prompt in administrator without directly opening it. Accept the prompt. Okay. And after opening the command prompt, we need to navigate to the location. Click on the Windows folder. The Windows folder, I'm not able to. And not the search. Here, we need to navigate to the server is already installed under C drive, program files, Adobe Campaign Classic V7 bin. This is where our server is installed. So we should always have this path copied somewhere. And we within the command prompt when open in administrator. Can you type in cd space and paste Control V, enter. Okay, type in NL server, NLSCRVER, all in lowercase, server, SCRVER, space, config, CONFIG, space, hyphen, internal password, everything one word, INTERNALPASSWORD. Okay, hit enter. Okay, first, remember what I'm saying. For the current password, there is nothing set, so you will not be typing anything. You will hit enter. So then you will get a prompt to enter the new password. So there you will just have to type in INTERNAL, everything in lower, and hit enter, and you will not see anything happening on the screen. So just type in INTERNAL, hit enter, and do the same thing for confirmation as well. INTERNAL and hit enter. Okay. First enter without anything typing. Now INTER, yeah, okay, you are able to do it. Because honestly, it doesn't tell you because you're running in the command prompt. That's what it is. Now, in the Windows search, no, go back to the command prompt once. Before that, yeah, open the command prompt. Now type in NL server space watchdog.
Please.
Watchdog, WATCHDOG. Enter. This is a command to start your campaign server. So the server is started. So you should see this message. It says Tomcat started, server started. Hold on. Select the checkbox private networks and click allow access. Yeah. So our server is starting. So we need to complete the remaining part of the setup. Now within the Windows search, type in Adobe Campaign. Adobe space campaign. Yeah, click on that Adobe Campaign client console. So now here we need to set our server URL to our local host. So now click on that hyperlink where it says Adobe V6. Okay, click on that Adobe V6. Yeah, in the label, change it to, let me see if I can, hold on. Campaign local. So here we need to input the text what we added in the host file. CAMPAIGNLOCA. And now whatever password we set in the command prompt, the same thing which is INTER, and same. This should give us the wizard to set up. So you don't need to know anything about this installation. This is only for your sandbox. So when you're actually getting in the customer projects, all these things are already set up and you have a working installation. So this is only for your local sandbox. So you don't need to know anything of whatever the setup that is being done right. Okay.
Sundar, for me, it's saying it's an incorrect password, even if I give the same one.
We did the same thing. You typed in the same thing when we
Yes,
installed.
I've typed the same thing.
Hold on. Let me finish this and immediately. Let me finish the setup in this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You will have to wait for it to complete. So internal is a super user, so we should never use that for configuration. So we have an admin, the login and password is same ADMI and ADMI, and this is already selected. So your local sandbox is ready. So the Explorer view is where we will do all the configuration. So the tables or the data schemas we create under administration, configuration data schemas. All the data imports and exports we create under this technical workflows folder, and the actual deployment workflows will go under campaign management campaigns. So we'll see all this step by step when we get to the use case in starting. But whatever the videos, everything will talk about this user interface on, and you will be able to log in via this. So a few things to note when you reboot your laptop. So I'll type in a notepad to start your server. Can you open up the notepad plus plus? I'm not able to open it on the screen. Okay, so yeah, okay, when you file, yeah, perfect. So first, you need to.
I think
I'm not able to type in, not sure why.
maybe normal notepad.
No, hold on. You should allow. Oh, wait. There are some prompts that are open because of that. It's strange. Why I'm not able to control the notepad plus plus. Okay, I'll put that instructions in WhatsApp. You can follow that. Okay. Yeah, your setup is done. So you can just stop sharing. So start watching the videos, and at any point, any doubts or anything, use the WhatsApp group for communication.
Okay. I don't know. Can you please do it from your side? It's fine. Hi Sundar, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. Can you?
Yeah, after.
PGAdmin. Yes. So this is all set. So did you install any of the client or server node? Right?
I've unzipped that, and
Okay,
I've
you just
yeah.
unzipped, and did you do any installation of it?
No, just till I think where you have to learn.
Yeah, you didn't run this setup, right? This setup.
No. We have.
Okay. Do a right click and run as administrator.
Okay.
No, I think where did you unzip it?
The one below, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, do a right click and run as administrator. Select the setup file.
Okay, yeah. I think I'm.
Select that setup and run as administrator. More info. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Nice. You click finish. Now go to the downloads folder. Right click on that setup client and run as administrator and finish that setup. Do you have Notepad++ installed on your this thing?
I don't know. Actually, this is not my laptop. Let. No, I don't.
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, but is the setup running?
I think I'm unable to. I'll just click it again.
Yeah. Next. No, let it.
Oh, yeah.
Next. Yeah. Next. Finish. Finish. Yeah. Now, in the Windows, we are here on. Windows. 1632. We need to open Notepad and administrator, otherwise it will accept the prompt.
Yeah.
We need to copy the prompt. Okay, go to the Windows and copy the post file path.
Okay.
The Windows folder. Yeah, on the click here, it will give you the path.
Yeah.
Next to the copy that. Now come to the Notepad. File open. No, file open. Under the file menu.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you mean this file? Okay.
Open. Yeah. Go in the file name. Paste that path what you copied. Yeah, and hit enter. Under the file type, choose all files, the test document where it shows it, choose all files.
Oh,
The
okay.
drop down,
Okay.
all files. Yeah, open the host. Double click, yeah. Now scroll down.
I think this is the last.
Okay. Copy that line 120 from without the hash 127.0.0. Local one. Copy that
Okay.
whole thing and put that in a new line. Yeah, and rewrite that local host as campaign local, CAMPAIGN, L capital, LOCAL, everything in one word. Now do save, click on file save. Okay, close this host file. No, from the notepad, close it. Close the notepad altogether.
Yeah. I couldn't see that. Yeah.
No, don't save that. That's fine. Okay. So now the next step is in the Windows search, type in command prompt. Yeah, right click and run as administrator. No, the
Okay.
open will not work. Close
Yeah.
it. Yeah, in the chart, I have pasted the path of the server. So can you copy it from the chart, the path,
Mhm.
and type in cd space the path.
Yeah.
Hit enter.
Enter. Okay.
Now in the chart, I have given one command and then server config. Copy and paste. Did you copy that? And then server config hyphen internal
Yeah.
password. Just paste it there and hit enter. Hit enter.
Yeah. This is.
Yeah. In the new password, type in INTERNAL and hit enter. Do the same thing and hit enter. Okay, perfect. Now type in one more command, NL server watchdog, which again in chat. Yeah, tick the private networks and say allow access. Okay, keep this command prompt open. You should never close it as whenever you are running Adobe Campaign. So this should always be in the started state. So now in the Windows search, click on Adobe Campaign. I mean, search Adobe Campaign. Yeah, click on Adobe Campaign screen. Yeah, click on this hyperlink. I think I can take it. So here we call it as. We'll have to replace local with what we have typed in course.
Okay.
And you don't need to worry about all this. You don't need to number or don't need to worry at all.
Oh.
This is good. Now that the setup is done, you will have to use the login. That's it. So since the password is saved, you don't have to type in the login. But just in case, if you uncheck this, you will have to type in the password. So the username of the login will be admin and password will be admin. If you don't uncheck this, that you don't need to enter the password again. Okay, so you have your setup also ready. So let me type in the steps to start your login. So first, step one, I'm just putting it in WhatsApp.
Okay.
I'm just typing. Okay, I message in WhatsApp. So is that clear? If you reboot or if you're not able to log in, right? So just make sure you follow this steps. And usually we make a mistake of opening the command prompt normally. So then these commands won't run and you might run into errors. So you should always right click on the command prompt and open it in administration.
Okay.
Okay. So you both have the local instance now. So Ram, once you're able to complete the IAS, Postgres, and the JDK, right? Message in the group. Then I'll connect with you when I get free, and we'll finish the installation in your laptop as
Yeah, sure, Sundar. Yeah, I will check it.
well. And please start watching the videos. And if you face any issues, either accessing the videos or when you're going through the videos, if you have any questions, even if the questions can be silly or you don't need to worry about what will anyone think if I ask that kind of question. Only when you ask questions, that is when you will get more learning and you'll be able to grasp the concept better. So I would encourage you to ask as many questions as possible. Even if it's repetitive, please ask till you understand the concept. Okay. So we will not get enough time for us to deep dive and go deeper. Adobe Campaign is a very vast tool, but the current curriculum is designed in such a way within a short span of time, you get a holistic view of it. Okay, that's about it.
Okay.
So please start watching the videos and let's use the WhatsApp group for the content. Okay, and we'll start with the step-by-step demonstration of the typical use case starting Monday, where we'll connect at the same time. But by then, I want you to finish all the videos where possible.
Yeah, thank you, Sundar. I think, do you have any FAQs? Maybe just send them on the WhatsApp, Sundar.
No, the FAQs I'll share once the whole training is completed, because without knowing the concept, right, at least completing one end-to-end use case, even sharing the FAQ will confuse them a lot. So I want to go in a structured manner where they will focus only on the videos. Once we complete the use case, I will share the various different content where they can use for their learning and get an understanding. So there will be enough material that will be provided.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Thanks, Sundar.
Thank you all. Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.